So what exactly is Wax Coin and the Wax project? Welcome back to another video, and this time we're going to be talking about Wax. And the thing about this one, it's quite interesting. So let me tell you some backstory. So the people working on the Wax blockchain were the ones that had one of the biggest Counter-Strike Go exchanges, a pretty awesome exchange called, I even forgot what it's called, but be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. And the thing with Wax blockchain is basically they converted all their skins. They stopped Counter-Strike, which was a video game, global offensive trading, and they instead made their own virtual market, and they used the Wax token for their own blockchain. And this got really popular in 2018, and you probably haven't heard of that because 2018 is when this all peaked. And that was a pretty cool scenario, And 2021, we saw another bull run. So can it see the bull run again? The issue with Wax, it takes a long time to be developed. And a lot of people are holding bags right now. And if it goes up, people sell those bags. That's the biggest issue I find with this project. I don't think the blockchain is bad at all. I think the developers are making a great thing. I do think, however, that there's a lot of uncertainty with the project, not because of the project itself, but because some of the back holders bought at example $1. They bought it maybe even $2, and right now it's 7 cents. And as soon as it goes to $1, they're willing to take half a loss, say, okay, maybe I lost half the money, but that's completely fine. I'll recoup it somewhere else. So they try to make those little gains really and in the long term. Is what I notice, and it's got me really interested, and it's good in a sense. It's good that we have projects like these trying to go ahead and win on the long term, but who knows what will happen in the short term. So in the long term, the Wax project, we don't know too much about it. It's like a ghost of the past. It was really popular in 2018 because blockchain protocols were popular in a sense, but now it's sitting on number 170 spot for a very simple reason. And that is because most of these projects are now having a lot of more competition, a lot more exchanges, a lot more. In 2018, it was a completely different market. It was much smaller market, and there was much more demand for competitors to Ethereum. Now there's a ton of competitors to Ethereum, and WAXP is one of them. And they have a ton of development. They have a ton of great stuff, great plans. But I don't know where it's gonna be on the long run. Really, that's the thing I'm kind of worried about. And if they can survive, if they can make something great, if they can have some sort of a big change that's gonna shook the markets, then I can see them going ahead and actually having great plans. And that's what I'm excited for. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this Wax project, and I'll keep you guys updated.